No, I'm gonna start again. Round two. Yeah.
Action.
Hey, July Chow, how's it going?
Hi, my name's Adam and I'm a Customer Success Manager at HubDoc. HubDoc is a data capture solution that allows you as a bookkeeper or accountant to spend less time chasing your clients for documents and more time being the advisor to those clients. Our goal really is to automate much of the accounts payable bookkeeping process. An example of that, we want to automate the collection of the documents. We do that in multiple ways, one of which is the automatic fetching of those documents from bank accounts, from different vendors, online portals. We have over 750 connections where we'll automatically go into that and pull documents out for you. The other side is we also give your clients the ability to manually upload those documents directly into the HubDoc account through a mobile app and also through an email. You can also drag and drop them directly into the HubDoc account. Now, HubDoc is a digital filing cabinet for all of your clients' important financials, okay? So not only are we trying to automate the collection of those documents, we also want to automate the data entry. Any document that comes into HubDoc, whether automatically fetched, as mentioned, or whether manually uploaded, will have all the data extracted through machine learning and OCR as well. 70% of documents that come into HubDoc now go through machine learning, and we're able to automatically pull data such as supplier name, bill date, due date, dollar amount, invoice number, important key pieces of that data. The reason that's important is because generally those administrative tasks like manual data entry can eat up so much of your day. By automating those tasks, we can free up your time to be the advisor for your client and to help continue to grow your business, because ultimately most of you are small businesses as well. So when we look at it, the big piece of it too is that we also integrate directly with Xero. We are actually a part of the Xero family now, which has been really exciting about 10 months ago. We integrate with Xero and QuickBooks Online as general ledger softwares. With that integration, you can take a document that's been sent into HubDoc, had the data already automatically extracted, and post that document over to Xero or QBO for one-click reconciliation and audit-proof books. Processes that used to take hours can now take minutes thanks to the streamlined workflow of HubDoc along with Xero and QBO. And because of that, we're saving advisors tons of time, and they truly can continue to be the advisor for their clients.
My name is Omar, and I'm product manager and consultant at Hansa World. We are a fully integrated ERP cloud-based company. So the solutions that we provide are accounting software. We operate in hotels, point-of-sale environments, retail, manufacturing, production, also rental agencies, all benefit from our solution. So it's fully end-to-end, and that means that you don't need to use another software to control these environments. All of the logic, all of the programming is in our software, and anything that is accounting related automatically gets booked. So as an accountant, you really don't have anything to worry about when your customers are doing their activity, because all of the financial statements, all of the financial reports will be populated, as well as the general ledger transactions, all of the associated relevant accounting information. So we're just here at the show targeting small to medium-sized businesses. That's our niche market, and we are looking for CPAs, accountants, and anyone who might benefit from a solution like ours, because it's very difficult to find ERP software that is geared towards this market and has an affordable price list. When people see ERP, they tend to get quite scared, especially small businesses, because they're usually like, you know, I don't know if I want to spend that amount of money for my small company. So we have a solution just for you. So check us out at hansaworld.com, and thanks a lot for presentation, and thanks for coming in and visiting us.
Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Christy. I'm with PEO Spectrum,
We're a consulting firm for the PEO industry. We provide a free service to shop and compare the PEO marketplace, and we have relationships with over 100 PEOs. So we essentially shop 3 to 5 PEOs for our clients. We come back with underwritten quotes. We then put together a financial analysis comparing what they're currently paying today versus what's in the marketplace. And what's great about our business model is that our partners are fully aware when we're requesting proposals from them. We're also reaching out to their competitors. So we tend to source very competitive proposals. And if they were to transition to a PEO that we recommend, there's absolutely no out-of-pocket cost to them whatsoever. We are compensated by that PEO sales and marketing budget.
Okay. Hey there, I'm Kevin Russa, the Director of Sales for Right Networks. We are a cloud hosting company who actually specializes in hosting the desktop products in a cloud-based environment. So whether you're dealing with QuickBooks Desktop, as well as any tax softwares, with Cert, Pro Series, we have solutions to be able to integrate those products, bring them into the cloud, and allow you anytime, anywhere access in a fully managed, secure environment that's backed up on a regular basis. All our fees are per user per month, no long-term contracts, and it's really just a great fit for customers or clients that haven't moved to the fully web-based solutions out there, like a QuickBooks Online or Xero, but still want to keep their desktop products, but get the benefit of online access and the overall benefits of the cloud. So essentially, in a nutshell, that's what we do.
Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Imani.
Daphne.
We are community managers for Primework in Somerset, New Jersey, and Brooklyn, New York. We provide all-inclusive office space for small businesses and established companies, a place for you to grow your business with no limit on success. Everything is included with your office, from conference rooms to printing to phone booths, Wi-Fi's, utilities, everything that you need. If you guys are ever in our areas, please don't hesitate to stop by. We would love to give you a tour and get you signed up in a beautiful space.
Absolutely. So Paychex, we are one of 2 accredited human capital management companies here in the United States. We're the largest record keeper and provider of 401k services. We also offer outsourced HR. We offer payroll, obviously, we're Paychex, but anything in the health and benefits realm, we can also support business insurances. We're a one-stop shop for all of your human capital management needs. For new businesses, we can help you register for all of your ID numbers, and for existing businesses, we can help to take you to the next level by our strategic partnerships with QuickBooks, with Indeed. If you're looking to hire new employees, we offer electronic onboarding. We really are a one-stop shop to help your business.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. So these are some of the companies. So basically we match up the best PEO for our clients based on what they're looking for, their demographics, if they have certain health insurance carrier that they're looking for, and it's a free service. If you transition to a PEO that we recommend, there's absolutely no out-of-pocket cost to you at all. We're compensated by the PEO.
Insurance. Basically, it's insurance.
No, because the PEO also provides payroll. They do your payroll, they provide workers' compensation, major medical, so that's medical, dental, vision, long-term, short-term disability, life, 401k as well. It's all under one umbrella instead of having to go out to a health insurance broker for medical, to a workers' comp broker, to maybe outsourcing your payroll to ADP or Paychex. This is all under one umbrella, and you have a dedicated HR specialist and payroll specialist.
How long is the service in the market?
Sure. Our CEO started the company in 2009, and the sweet spot for the PEO industry is 25 employees. But we work anywhere from 3 employees up to 600 employees.
It's all in the cloud.
All in the cloud.
Yes, so the entire system is built in the cloud. It was built for the cloud, and essentially there's nothing physical on any of your computers. It's fully cloud-based software.
So another thing is the company going to share all the data with your cloud.
That's a really great question, and obviously the security,
yes.
Your clients'
that's the
financial information security.
Yeah.
Security is the most important thing at HubDoc. We use 256-bit end-to-end encryption. So documents sent in, we basically frame it like this: if your clients feel okay with logging into a bank portal, HubDoc is no different. We use the same security as the biggest banks across America, and with that, it gives the, obviously that the banks, people are okay logging into Chase Bank. that when they log into HubDoc and connect to their Chase Bank, it's the exact same protocol. Now, in terms of data sharing, we do not data share. Part of our terms of service, that's not something that we allow. This is a paid service. It's not like a free service where we're data mining. All the data is yours. All the data is your clients. We don't share that with anyone.
And how many years the product in the market?
So we've been in the marketplace since 2014. And so 5 years now we've been in the cloud accounting space. Now we started originally as a tool for small businesses to help them essentially streamline their own internal workflows. The pivot was made by our two founders, Jamie Schulman and Jamie McDonald, the Jamies as they're known in HubDoc. Pivot was made to really focus more on accountants and bookkeepers as the primary target for the software, because it really helps accountants and bookkeepers much more. When you have 50 clients, you need to log into 50 bank portals every month to download 50 statements. When you're just one business, there isn't as much pain in that moment. The other piece is when you're doing the monthly books for that many clients, something like HubDoc keeps everything so much more organized. When you're doing the monthly books for yourself, there's still value, but not as much. So really, our target market really is accountants and bookkeepers that service small business firms.
Okay, I see right now, people can go to the computer and log in.
Yes.
Looks like it's free for right now.
So basically, accounting and bookkeeping firms actually receive a free for life VIP HubDoc account. So we do that for multiple reasons. One reason is we really want advisors to test pilot themselves before they ever recommend HubDoc to any of their clients. Now, so the free account, like I said, free for life. Even if you never sign up a HubDoc client, you still get that free for life account. And that is a fully functioning account with, data capture, automatic fetching, and the integration with Xero and QBO. When it comes to the price point of actually, so how does HubDoc make money? Because that's obviously an important part. It's all the clients that you would add underneath your accounting or bookkeeping firm, right? So generally wholesale pricing is $20 per client per month. We're running a promo right now where all clients added under firm billing by October 31st, 2019 are going to be $10 per client per month for 1 year. Beyond that, it would go back to wholesale pricing. And then we do have some price breaks based on amount of subscriptions that a firm has on HubDoc. And you can save 10, 20, and 30% based on those different buckets.
One question.
Yeah.
Some people are not so familiar with technology, like a computer.
Yes.
So for somebody, they download it, they don't know how to use it. So they can contact your back office?
Absolutely.
And go through the introduction.
Yeah, for sure. I work on the customer success team at HubDoc, and our team, really, our goal is to help people become pros at using HubDoc. So we really help with that initial implementation. So when you decide to start the HubDoc journey, myself or someone like me on my team, we're gonna set up milestones to make sure you get to where you need to be successful using HubDoc. So you're not just on your own. We're always here to help you out. There's great online tools, but there's also one-on-one time where we can set up training to really get you and your firm up to speed. Once the firm is up to speed, that's when they can really start to see the benefit and then start to also roll that out amongst their clients. They become pros at using HubDoc, and they can teach their clients how to be pros in turn.
Thank you.
Wonderful, thank you so much. All right, yeah.
How many locations?
2 locations so far.
In New Jersey?
We have one in New Jersey, then we have one in New York, in Brooklyn, New York.
So how long you been started with in the market?
Yeah, so within our first year, we've opened up 2 locations. So August will be a year in for the Somerset location, and then next year, March, will be for the Brooklyn location.
So what type of the client you are?
Our industries?
Yeah, industry.
All over, from marketing to tech, interior design, accounting, podcasting, everything. We take all industries.
Interesting. You know, of course, you know the Hudson Yard. They have some office here, even in Brooklyn.
Yeah.
We see some like, you know.
The same
So
concept.
how could you say you can compete, or you're working with all those kind of?
Well, we wouldn't necessarily say we compete, because we'd rather just work together, like collaborate or partner up. But one thing that does stand us apart from the rest is that we have solution, we offer solution. Whereas other places, they're co-working and they don't pretty much give the same amenities as us. So we do stand apart from the rest because we are offer solution. That's what we focus on.
Can you explain? What
So offer solution,
what
meaning
solution?
to see, so pretty much we make your life easier. So say for instance, like the things that you would have to deal with if you had a storefront and you would have to get printing and Wi-Fi and all these extra things, we take care of that for you. So you don't have, like, so say for instance you get packages, you get you use our address as your physical mailing address. So there's different amenities that we have, whereas the other places it's built into your package, and with us it's already included in it.
Other places will make you pay extra, you know? So we take that hassle away and include it into your office space.
Can I talk a little bit about the contract, the cost?
Yeah, it's very flexible. All of our, well, we're not contracts, we're agreements. We sublease to our tenants. It's month to month. It could be short-term, long-term. We work with a lot of brokers because some of their clients need short-term office space because they're waiting for their office to be built and their own commercial space, or maybe a storefront. So as in terms of cost, our co-working starts at $350, gives you the all-inclusive access. Dedicated desk, just taking a desk is starting at $500 for me. In the Brooklyn location, it starts at $550. And then our offices, depending on the size that you need, starts at $1,000. So it's very convenient and it's very affordable.
You mean $350 per month?
Per month, everything's month to month. We have daily passes as well. And it's up to you, but it makes more sense to get the full advantage of the space if you do monthly.
Do you have a personal assistant, like
personal assistant? Well, we do everything. You mean like a secretary, someone who is on site? That's us. So we play the part of running the space, making sure all our members are taken care of, and then we do the outside work as well as coming to events like this. So it's
$350 cover everything?
Covers everything.
Like human resource?
We offer outsourced human resources, yeah. So human resource generalist or a human resource consultant. You can basically, instead of offering a six-figure salary to an internal person for your company, you can use paychecks. We offer the HR services where you can kind of rent an HR professional for your business.
So how long the company? How many years?
We've been a company since 1973. We actually started with 40 employees in the small to medium-sized business space up in a garage in Rochester, New York. We have since expanded. We're now actually international. We have offices in Germany and Switzerland and Brazil, and we're constantly expanding.
So you can, not just for finance people, you can all kind of human resource help.
Exactly. So restaurant industry, there's a huge push with anti-harassment. It's been recently extended to non-employees. So there is a mandatory training both by the state and here in New York City, an even added layer of training that needs to be fulfilled, the requirement, which is live interactive trainings. So basically Paychecks can have a representative, an HR professional, come in, give this training to your employees, keep record of it, and we have an online technology platform which keeps record of all the trainings for all the employees. So when the state or the IRS comes into audit, not only do you have all your payroll records, but all of your HR records in one neat, tidy place. 110% compliant.
How's the cost?
Cost is very competitive. So we offer solutions, scalable solutions. So we can help a one-man marching band with an online-only payroll, very low touch point, very low cost, all the way scaled up to a professional employer organization where it's a co-employment shared relationship with your employees, which is a little bit more expensive, but now you're talking about bundling your health and benefits, top tier premiums at very low cost. So we
know average.
It really depends based on the business, how frequently they're processing payroll and how big the business is. For a medium-sized business, say 10 employees that's processing bi-weekly on a standard platform for just payroll services only can be around, anywhere from $80 to $100 per pay period. So we can keep your expenses super low, but we're obviously, going to be compliant with all the state, federal, and local laws, and we're going to take the liability off of the business owner when it comes to tax pay, reporting to those agencies.
Interesting. Okay. Thank you, Kyle.
Hey, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. And that is a nice way of saying you have a company that has many different departments. And the functions of these departments are linked. Sometimes you have the sales communicates with purchasing, but vice versa, right? This is a way that we automate the functions using computer software. So anything that is related towards a department that talks to other departments, the information is already there. So you don't have to re-put information to a system manually over and over again. Because it's easy. It's easy to move around the windows, it's easy to put in information, and it's easy to see reports.
The question is, if people already have this kind of QuickBooks in the company's use already.
Yep.
So what's the purpose they can use your service?
Yeah, so right now if people are running QuickBooks locally, they either have it on probably a PC in their office or a server in their office. Both have their headaches. If it's just on a PC, no one has access to it, somebody else is going to manage it, you have to update it yourself, back it up yourself. There really isn't any disaster recovery model set up in an environment like that. As well as an in-house server, you're doing all the maintenance yourself. You probably have an IT guy keeping the server up and running, and QuickBooks is kind of a beast of its own on a server. So what we do is come in and eliminate all that and get it up into our environment so that they can access it from anywhere. We're managing it, and it's in a secure place, and their full disaster recovery and backup all set up as well too.
But one thing in my personal thinking is, but a lot of information is company data.
Yeah.
So that means I'm going to share this company data to your company.
Yeah, I think a big fear of the cloud overall is who owns that data, where does that data reside, who's protecting my data, who's keeping you guys honest, or us honest if we're hosting the data. So they're great questions. The bottom line is the customer always owns the data. When you move it into our environment, think of it like they're renting space in our server. They upload their file, but if they ever wanted to copy their file down, they could delete it, they could pull right off there. They're completely in control of their data. We basically just back it up for them on a regular basis.
So you just support a space?
Yes, yep. So it's a hosted platform. Looks like a virtual desktop or a PC that you log into in the cloud. And then you'll see QuickBooks and any other applications you're running with us that happen to be third-party applications too. Yeah.
So how long is your product in the market?
So we've been around for about 17 years.
17 years.
We have 150,000 end users logging in monthly to the service. So, and growing at roughly 20% year over year as well too. So a lot of need for QuickBooks in the cloud. We see a big presence with QuickBooks Enterprise as well coming on board, and those happen to be larger clients that really need features and functionality that are in the desktop product, but also need a cloud-based solution. So that's where we kind of give them a hybrid, the best of both worlds there.
What's the cost?
It's roughly about $50 a month per user. So we have different packages, but our base package is right around $50 a month. And then as you start to add more applications or tax applications, you start to go upstream a little bit more.
Okay, thank you, Kevin.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Is that good?
This is Zhao Yi, EVC XYZ channel. We would like to introduce something gorgeously like your story. Please thumbs up and subscribe us. 我是九辣赵小鱼，欢迎转发订阅。